Types of files. Useful to use files of different colors for different years for easy retrieval and identification. Filing. Three types of filing procedures in use: vertical, suspender, horizontal. Microfilming of medical records. In large teaching hospitals, due to the constraints of space, microfilming is resorted to use. Advanced microfilming is saving space by 90%, easy accessibility, protection, elimination of misfiring, saving of time and manpower. Special equipment required includes microfilming camera, processor, viewing machines, etc. Computerization of med records. Tech advancements and decreased cost of computerization have revolutionized med records. Possible to store text, all types of images. With networking system, access can be provided to DRs, nurses, etc. Retrieval of medical records. Usually required for follow-up of patients, admission to ward, research workers for academic purposes, medical reimbursement, producing in the court of law. Reports and returns. Basic purpose of reports are evaluating quality of care, locating the deficiency in and means, methods, end results such as means, staff, physical facilities, equipment including plants and machine, methods, operating policies, procedures, end result, outcome of benefits derived by community from the hospital. Effectiveness of the hospital materials, hospital administration, prevention of disease are also taken into reports and returns. Types of reports. Types of reports are generally pertinent to vital stats, admission, discharge, transfer analysis, generally health stats. Types of report frequency will vary with the type of hospital and administration. Reports generated daily, weekly, monthly, fortnightly, annually basis. Reports related to hospital beds, admission reports, discharge reports, death reports, workload statistics, hospital care evaluation stats, etc. And medical legal. So these are some medical legal aspects of MRT. Property of the hospital, neither the patient nor the doctor. As per the confidentiality, privileged document cannot be divulged with respect to the patient. Complete, adequate, accurate, and legible are the four important aspects of medical legal of MRT. Indian Evidence Act of 1872 as amended requires for medical record to be procured before competent authorities. In court of law, LIC of India, income tax, patients will queries regarding to the birth or death. Retention of medical record, the factors affecting the retention period, need of the patient, medical legal aspect, gen guidelines, 5 years to 10 years, note in teaching medical college, etc.